Getting started with the Pecu Novus network is fairly simple. It was created to take the complication out of blockchain by making familiar user interfaces akin to an online fiat banking account. Blockchain shouldn't be complicated for mass adoption, so we have made it simpler for all users. First step is to click on the Create Your Wallet button on the Pecu information website, or go directly to pecunovus.net and just easily create your wallet there. Once you've done that, you can easily access and use the Pecu wallet directly in from your web browser, and also have access to the Pecu terminal. Alternatively, you can download the APK for the Pecu wallet to download directly to your mobile phone and install it, or you can download it directly from the Google App Store. Once logged in to either your mobile wallet or web wallet, then you have access to transfer and accepting Pecu coins and other tokens that are available. This is where various tokens can be transferred that are minted by the Pecu Novus community. Keep in mind that the mobile and web Pecu wallets will be upgraded regularly with additional functions to make the user experience as simple and robust as possible. Our team is always listening to the Pecu Novus community so that we can create the products and platforms that mean something to you. Now, if you want to access your terminal, then that can only be done via your web wallet. Simply click the toggle Switch Terminal Connect and then click on the terminal button on the left panel in your web wallet. The Pecu terminal is a work in progress that will provide a comprehensive network of functions such as minting tokens and NFTs, news reports and articles, analysis of the crypto market, events, encrypted messaging, and more. Please note that the Pecu terminal will not be accessible on the mobile app. There are security measures in place to make sure that your digital assets are protected. A PIN is required to access your mobile application after setting it up. Your Pecu mobile and web wallet are always offline until you toggle the Wallet Connect. Your Pecu wallet holds your public and private keys as well as your access key. The access key is what will allow you to connect your wallet to various applications that incorporate it, such as decentralized exchanges, marketplaces, even communication and gaming platforms. It's important you are well informed so that you can enjoy the simple and secure use of everything Pecu related. Some rules of the road to embrace. First, keep your private key somewhere safe. No one has access to that but you. It is what grants you access to your wallet, digital assets, and the terminal, so do not share that with anyone. If you do, then they will have full access to all of your digital assets held on that wallet. Second, your access key is what you would need to fully control where your wallet is connected, whether it is a decentralized exchange, e-commerce website, communication or gaming platform, and others in the future. Within your wallet, you will be able to disconnect from any platform simply by toggling it within your connected apps area. This is a protective measure to make sure Pecu wallet holders are always in control of their access and digital assets. Third, Pecu Novus will never ever ask for your login, private key, or actually any confidential details. That information is strictly with you and heavily encrypted and stored with your device. So if you are using the web wallet, make sure to log out of your wallet when not in use. So if you are ever contacted by someone asking for this, and especially if they say that they are with Pecu Novus itself, then know that it is a fraud attempt. Lastly, the escrow system is a powerful function of the Pecu Novus network. It is a simple smart contract creator, but as a user you do not need to code. We have made it as simple as clicking on a release date, adding the amount, token, and receiver's key, as well as any notes you would want to register on the blockchain publicly or privately. Take the time to learn the simple use of the escrow system to protect your digital assets, so you can avoid sending Pecu coins or other tokens to someone in error and have greater control of your transactions. In short, the escrow feature helps to mitigate human errors such as a wrong key or amount being transferred. Remember, once you click transfer, then those Pecu coins or tokens are out of your account and in the hands of the recipient. It is irreversible, and there is nothing you can do unless the other party sends them back to you. We will continue to share additional videos to highlight the simple and secure use of the Pecu Novus network, the Pecu terminal, as well as the additional features as they are added in the future. Pecu Novus, here today, built for the future.